back again. Easy English with Colleen. And I just thought of some more words that sound the same. So I thought, well, let's just do some more. Why not? So again, we have words that sound the same, but we write them differently. So again, we've got Panda. He's going to help me. So he's going to do some writing and some drawing. We're going to write the word and then we're going to draw something to explain. So the first word is hole. Hole. So where's our little eraser thing? There it is. Okay, so if you got a whiteboard, just erase it and draw a picture. If you got paper, get a new paper, and we're going to write hole, and we're going to show a picture. And, okay, that's okay. Yeah, that works for me. Good, Panda. Right, so they're both, one is the thing, and the other is describing something. So, Panda, can you show them what you drew? Okay, this HOLE is a hole, like a hole in the ground, or it could be a hole in a donut. Do you want to draw that one too? Okay, could be a hole inside a donut. We call that a hole. So there's your donut with some sprinkles on it, or maybe it's a bagel. Looks like a bagel too. Yeah. So a hole could be a hole in the ground that you could fall into, or it could be a hole inside a donut. So that's a hole. But whole means the entire thing. So he's drawn a birthday cake. So maybe you had a birthday, but you ate the whole cake. You ate all of it. Oh my gosh, that's not a very good thing to do. Now the next one is which. 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 So they're spelled differently, but they sound the same. So write each one. Which and which. Okay. So one is a word we use for questions, and the other is a person. So what have you drawn, Panda? Can you show us? Okay, the first is a person. We often see at Halloween, and she flies on a broomstick and she wears a big black hat, and we call her a witch. And the other word is a question we use for a question about two things. Which one do you like? Do you like this one or do you like this one? Which one do you prefer? Which? You have a choice of two. Which one do you want? This one or this one? But you can see they're spelled differently, but they sound the same. Now the next one is waste. This might be a bit tricky. Waste. Yeah, this is tricky, I think. Okay. Well, let's draw two for that one, maybe. Panda? That's a good idea. It's a good idea. Okay, and the other one is good job, Panda. Good job. Can you show everyone what you did? Good. So waist. The first one points to the middle of your body, right in the middle, where you put your belt when you are wearing a pair of pants, or even a dress might have a belt. It goes around your waist. That's the middle of your body. So it goes right across your tummy. And that's called the waist. But waste can also be something that we throw out in the garbage, and it's probably quite stinky. We say it's waste because we're not going to use it. Or if you're eating a meal and you don't finish it, and your mom will say, don't waste the food. Don't waste it. So if you don't finish something that's good, it will go to waste. You'll have to throw it into the garbage, and that's a shame to waste food. So that's that's the third word, waste. Next one is blue. Now, maybe I'll get another marker for that. Markers. There they are. Okay, so it makes sense for one of them to use a different marker for sure. So I'm going to take this marker, hint, hint, hint. All right, so let's go. Let's go, Panda. And we're going to write 1 and then change the marker. We're going to write another 1. Okay, so I like your drawings. That's good job, Panda. Okay, let's go now to blue and blue. So the first one is the color blue. So Panda wrote it in blue. B-L-U-E. But the next one is an action in the past. Blew. So here the wind is blowing, or the wind blew. Yesterday the wind blew. If you have a birthday and you have a cake with candles, you blow out the candles today, but yesterday you blew out the candles as you blew. All right, next one is right. Right, right. So start a new drawing. Right is a direction. And right is an action. So let's show them, Panda. Okay, you almost done? Okay, come on, finish up. Nice, Panda, wow. Okay, so Panda will show you he's finished his work. Are you finished? Can you show us? So right is a direction. To the right, turn to the right. Right is also to write on paper, write on a whiteboard, write a letter. And Panda has written his name. Wow, nice signature, Panda. I like it. It's very fancy. Now the next one is night and night. So they're spelled differently. And most of my French students, they have trouble pronouncing one. So night and night. I don't know if this is such a good drawing, actually. It's pretty bad. Okay, I did this one, Panda, and I didn't do a very good job. But I'll show it. Night. Nighttime is spelled like this. But night in the Middle Ages, where they wore this chainmail and they would go and fight with their swords, is also pronounced night. A lot of my students will say knicht. No, you don't pronounce the K. So this is night and this is night. You just ignore the K. All right, next one is dear and dear. Okay, you come draw, Panda. I did not do a good job of that last time. I need some help. All right, so dear and dear and dear. Okay, that's very good, Panda. And dear. Mhm. Okay, that's pretty good, Panda. All right, so see, there goes a pen. So deer and deer. First one is an animal like the reindeer that Santa flies around the world with. So that's a deer. And the other one just means someone who's very dear to you, someone you love very much. Like my dog Ollie is very dear to me. So dear means someone you love. So you could say he is dear to me, or you could say, "Oh, my dear little Ollie, Ollie, Bolly, Bolly, you're such a dear, sweet boy." So that's dear and dear. Now the last one again is a little tricky one. Your. Can you write your? Okay, Panda, last one. Your and your. Okay, so this means, good, Panda. Nice one. So people get these mixed up a lot. Even English speakers, even adults make this mistake a lot. Your. So, Panda, this is your video. You're making a video. It belongs to you, so it's your video. But this one has an apostrophe, so it really means you are. Panda, you are such a dear, sweet bear. You are such a sweet bear. And this is your video. Okay, that's kind of a long video. Let's stop it here. I think we've done quite a lot today.